Now I'm having a belief problem here. I've looked around this engine and it looks like it's only got 3 studs holding this manifold on. That doesn't seem right to me, but I'm going to pull it off. I wonder if those studs do go right into the block. I'm going to pull it off and see what we see when we get into it. Right, a few words about tools. This is an open-ended ring combination spanner. None of that funny talk about wrenches. This is a spanner. It's a Draper 9/16, drop forged, made in India of course, and this is a very particular spanner. It's stamped with the letter R because this spanner only does right-handed threads. If you want to do a left-handed thread, you need a different spanner. The Indian made 9/16 spanner didn't fit the nut that I want, so I've got a much better Chinese made 1/2" spanner. That doesn't fit either. But amongst my box of tut, look at this. A proper ring spanner, a King Dick, made in England. So what is it? It's can't read the numbers on it. It's a 5/16 British Standard quarter Whit spanner, Whitworth system. Of course, because this is an old engine. But the Indian spanner didn't fit, the Chinese spanner didn't fit. Thankfully, I had a very old English spanner.